All right, in this video, it's the first shakedown run of the Rlaarlo Dragon Scale Knight. Got a 4S CNHL 8200 milliamp battery in it to give us a flavor and a taste of just how good this buggy is. Ooh, that servo and controller response is quite nice. Oh, that's going to be fast for 4S. Since the buggy just comes with basher tires on it, I don't mind driving it on the driveway here. What's interesting is you can tell a lot just by doing a little figure eight. Oh, the turn in on this thing is beautiful. Throttle response is good, but you can turn in, you can let off the throttle, and the back end will just start to walk around on you. Oh, that's pretty good. I like that. I saw one other person talk about how the ESC settings were a little miserable. I am not seeing that. On 4S, that's good. Quick speed test here. Oh, that's fun. I always love squealy tire noises. If I come along and I hit the brakes, and then I let off and I'm not even on it, it's like it adds a drag brake. And as soon as I get back off of it, that is unusual. Like right there, no brake, and you see how it just kind of rolls? Let's come back by. So I'm gonna just drive with throttle, let off, and look at it just roll. Kind of a normal-ish drag brake. If I do it again and I hit the brake, it's like it adds an extra, even after I've let off. I just hit it and let off. I just hit it and let off, and it just adds like an extra drag brake. Oh. Out here with the backyard ramp, not looking to get a big time bash or anything like that, just trying to get a feel for how the buggy's gonna do in the air. Well, that's a good start. Oh yeah, wow, that was easy to control. I could just keep it flat, barely even trying, honestly. Yep, throttle response on this non-censored ESC is really nice. All right, we're it's gonna get me in trouble here in a second. I'm gonna end up sending it too hard. I do not want to break it before we get a chance to go to the track. But I mean, I gotta hit it one good time, right? Oh gosh. But you notice how that thing absorbed that landing? That was quite nice. Okay, initial shakedown run. Thoughts here. Suspension still feels super good. Nothing came out of place. Motor's not really warm. ESC's not really warm. I did get my new toy all dusty and dirty, of course. Diffs felt okay, just as a good starting spot. Not too light, not too heavy. Balance was good. Yes, I've already put grass stains on my beautiful Dragon Scale Knight logos down here. Even worn off a little bit or started to scratch up that logo right there. Servo felt strong. Speed control felt great. Throttle with the unusual looking controller and speed control felt great. Throttle modulation and everything felt fine. I heard someone else kind of complain about that, but I had no issues here. The brake was a little odd, right? Hit the brake and it felt like it just kind of put on a harder level drag brake and then came back off. Be very curious. I don't really know what this ESC is. I would love to know if it was programmable, if there was going to be that out there. I don't know about that right now. But yes, first shakedown run, see no issues, no leaking shocks, no leaking differentials, none of that. Car handled beautifully, it jumped just magically. The initial setup here on the shocks is really nice. It sailed through the air very, very nicely. I'll be really curious to get this to a track and see what it does. If you are going to be curious about anything like that, I'm going to have a whole Dragon Scale Knight playlist that'll be popping up over here at the end of the video, so you can follow along with my remaining adventures with this buggy. If you're curious about picking one up, there'll be a link to it down in the video description. And if you have any preliminary questions about this buggy, feel free to leave them down in the comments and I'll be happy to engage with you there and answer as many of them as I can. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in an upcoming video. Goodbye.